Morning guys, it is Monday. It is 6:45 in the morning. As you know, if you watch my shorts, my work from home day is a Monday, so I very much like to start the week on a productive note. I have got so much to do this week, it is ungodly. I'm going away on holiday for a week, not abroad, but we're going down to Devon for a week, and I've got so much to do to prepare and pack and everything like that. We're taking obviously our toddler and our dog, so there's so much to think about, what they need and everything, and then what we need. We're going away with my family. Sorry, I didn't even tell you what I'm doing. I'm just putting in some rosemary oil. I haven't done this in months, and I just feel like my hair needs a little bit of TLC. And I'm going to go on a run today, so I don't mind if my hair is particularly greasy and all that, because I'm going to wash it tomorrow morning. Normally just focus this around my hairline, the front of my hair, because it's not like I need much help in the thickness department. But it's sort of like where my postpartum hair is around the front. As with all work from home Mondays, it starts with getting my daughter ready, breakfast, and then dropping her at nursery. So I'm just going to quickly get ready to do that. She's still sleeping at the moment, bless her. We had a really nice weekend. Yesterday, Sunday, we went swimming in the morning, which was really fun. Our little girl is she's a true Pisces. She absolutely loves swimming, loves being in the water. And then we just went for a Nando's after, which I haven't been to Nando's in years, but we thought it would be a good one for her. And watched the Wimbledon finals. I freaking love Wimbledon season. It's like the only thing that gets me through this hot weather. I'm definitely not a summer girl. It's probably my least favourite season, to be honest. I can't cope in the heat. I'm definitely a spring autumn gal. Speaking of which, it's going to be 28 degrees today, which I'm not looking forward to. Especially as I want it to be really productive, and I'm going to have to battle with the heat now. But that's okay. First things first though, I need to get a wash load on because I'm not wasting this hot weather. Get the clothes out on the line to dry and they'll be done within a couple of hours, so that'll be good. So let's go get a wash load on. To be productive would be to start packing for holiday. I'm going to start with our daughter because she's at nursery today. So she's got one of these little trunkies. She's got one of these trunkies which is like a little suitcase on wheels. It's very cute. So let's see how much we can fit in here. Okay, so I've already got the white noise machine in here. This is her spare one. Right, then we've got, let's put that aside for a sec. Bought some swim nappies, especially for this trip. I don't know how much swimming we're going to do because there's not actually a pool where we're staying. But we will be going to the beach for a few days, so I'm going to bring like 5 swim nappies just in case. And then we need a week's worth of normal nappies as well. Then I think, annoyingly, the weather's going to be quite changeable. I think it's going to be around 21 degrees, 20 degrees, with a bit of rain, a bit of sun. So I've basically got a pack for every eventuality. I'm going to pack her this little turquoise short and little vest top set that she hasn't worn yet, just because it's easy as it's in the packaging. She's got this little blue and white dress, which I've just folded up as small as I can. She's got loads of these little short and vest sets from H&M. So that's the shorts. And that's the little top to go with it. So they're very small, won't take up too much space. So I'll pack a couple of them. Gonna pack her a pair of leggings and the matching jumper. Just this green, mint green set. She's got this really sweet little knitted dress, again from H&M. Pretty much all her clothes are from H&M. And she's got some little pink ballet pumps, so I'll pack those as well. Slightly concerned that I'm already running out of space. Right, I've just been doing some work and now I've got about 15 minutes before I need to go pick up my daughter from nursery, so I am just going to very quickly try and get another wash on. I need to do a dark wash because I've got absolutely zero pants, so let's try and get that on quickly. Good morning, it is Wednesday now. It is 6:15. I'm absolutely knackered today. It's another office day today. I really can't be bothered to go in, but I'm going to jump in the shower now. I was going to wash my hair and wear it curly today, but again, I don't think I can be bothered, so I'm probably just going to slick it back again. And then I'm going to film my third look for my 3 looks 1 palette with my Natasha Denona. So let's jump in the shower. Oh, that's better. I'm feeling a little bit more awake now. I've got the world's biggest cup of tea. If you don't like tea, I just don't know how you're getting through life, to be honest with you, because tea solves all. Me and my husband talk about this all the time, how we literally don't think we could live without tea. It's now 7:30 and I've got about half an hour to finish getting ready. Little one's downstairs having breakfast now with Dad. With her dad, I should say. And I'm finishing up this video. The days are very busy when you're working pretty much full time, trying to be a good parent and trying to create content as well. As I've mentioned, I work in an office and I currently go in 3 days a week, and then I work from home on a Monday. I am an e-commerce manager, if any of you wanted to know what I do. I thought I would show you the drink I've been making pretty much every day just to try and get some more protein in. I've been using this My Vegan Clear Protein powder. This one's in the flavour Raspberry Mojito, and I've been taking a couple of scoops of this and some ice. Let me get that from the freezer. Of the vegan clear protein powder. And then just to get it combined together, I use a drop of water. lid on and then you give it a good shake. So it looks like that. And then I normally top it up with some fruit juice because I don't love the taste of it. So I've been using the Innocent Citrus Shield sort of orangey juice. It's got orange, carrot, mandarin, lemon and ginger in it. But you could use apple juice or apple and mango or whatever you fancy. I do change it up, but I do like this one the best. Right, I'm going to go out and do some steps now. It is 6:15. I've been up since 5:45 and it's not my day to walk Blaze this morning, it's my husband's day, so I'm just going to go out on the treadmill and get some steps in on there. Before I have to get ready and go to work because today is another office day. So it is important to front load my steps on office days. It just makes it so much easier to hit my goal. Beautiful sunrise. Sometimes I just scroll on my phone or watch YouTube when I'm on the treadmill, but more often than not I'm doing some work at the same time. So I've just set my laptop up on a little caddy thing so that I can just type while I walk. I'm just walking in my Crocs, literally. If I was walking any longer than half an hour I would obviously put my trainers on, but for me it's all about just trying to get it done as quickly and easy as possible. So I just stick my Crocs on, get out there, just get half an hour walking, and then I can get ready for the day. Here's my little setup. So I'm going to end this weekly vlog here, guys. If you enjoyed it, then please do let me know in the comments and I'll keep making them. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.